guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I am going to be revamping this awesome chicken coop that my friends are letting me use because they gave me 4 chickens. So they brought this over here so that I could have practice owning chickens, and I'll be taking them with me to my land. I bought food and treats and scratch and stuff like that, so I am going to be revamping this coop so that they have a comfortable place to stay. First things first, we are going to spray paint it white. So I've never done this before. Where is she going? Good girl, Gloria. Is this your new home? painting the inside with a paintbrush and my leftover paint from painting the trim on my tiny house because I ran out of spray paint. Now this definitely goes on thicker than spray paint, so take that into consideration when you do one of these. Ready for this one? I thought this would be cool to paint the stairs blue. This is the finished product. I did the outsides mainly with white spray paint. Did the stairs with blue spray paint, and then on the inside I did white paint with a paintbrush. Some of it I forgot. I might get another can of white spray paint in order to do some touch-ups. I didn't do some up there. Kind of ran out. Used 7 things of spray paint. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. I used 7, 8, 9 cans of spray paint to paint the whole thing and touch it up. And then I am doing other stuff such as putting boards up at the bottom so no other kinds of critters can get in. I'd also like to do a few other things. We're going to be adding some hay. Because it seems to rain on both sides, I'm thinking about maybe some kind of tarp or some kind of covering so that the chickens can move about the coop whenever they want and not just have to be inside that little box. So I'm thinking of some more ideas, and I'm sure I will catch you guys up with those. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Jennifer, out. Jennifer, go. Jennifer.